sitting just to check say nipa waba police station no ni din ewo register name and any register name. Just that na mo massa process na echo peacefully and I'm making sure say you are going to be
director of the National Democratic Congress, Malik Brought, who has now,
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. As I reported earlier on, say Malik Brought, when we say Endra or some useless warning, be say and 5K men, being 8K women, being activate body cameras, being and all those things. And see, I mean, just about 30 minutes ago, no, some Malik guy no, or the Macho Men echo voting center no, St. Peter's, Odoko. Now some Macho Men no, they went in to beat NPP polling station agents no more host to the extent say they even tore apart their register, the register that the NPP guys were using. They tore it apart. They sacked the NPP police station agent. They were beating them and all those things. The police could not do anything whilst they were beating NPP people no. Police for no mujina ho share date say ebia minim na ye omukra. But you see, this is what we've been talking about. Say the way Ghana Police Service, any sir is excellent John Mahama, the NDC, the way they are going about by-election way, it is going to inform how things turn out in 2028. Because say invisible forces ni delta forces ni the others no enya ade a eya depa ema yen democracy enti say your democracy ma election enya ade a we should allow for these macho men and co to be invading into polling stations, to be preventing voters from voting and all the others. And then NPP went ahead to dismantle the invisible forces. So if after NPP has agreed and we dissolve invisible forces, 2020 they were not there, 2024 they were not there, and then a by-election 6 months after, we are seeing say Sam Malik Brought any NDC sana omudie they are delta force in China manamanu, they did not dismantle it. As I say amwa by mokrade aye west, they are using yen taxpayers money as car yen their tassiness day after day, omu the devil levy, demon levy, and the others that sika ni Ghana or mine wemu, that money that we are giving to them. No? Now this is a time now they are using that money to pay macho men to go and buy a beating opposition candidate. Is this the kind of democracy we want to build? Is this the kind of nation we want to build? And the way say NPP for if they retaliate, how is Ghana going to be?
These, do you have sight of them? Are you able to tell us who they are?
We are unable to tell. Banana, they left, but they are back again.
Are these the same
These well-built men I was referring to earlier, they are back on the street. They are coming back in their numbers again, this time with some other youth. We are not sure where they are coming from, but they are coming in their numbers. They are marching. We've seen that they've just retreated again. They've turned again. They are speaking to somebody in one of these V8s, but we are not exactly sure who they are speaking to. But they are engaging. They've been asked to retreat. Okay, we've seen the Deputy Communications Director of the National Democratic Congress, Malik Brought, who has now, come here in the company of some of these young men, and they are walking again towards the entrance of the. They are walking towards the entrance of the St. Peter Society Methodist Church. They are coming in their numbers, but the police have erected a barricade on the road. The police have erected a barricade on the road. Mustafa Bande is trying to control the numbers in the company of Malik Brought. The numbers seem more and more way more than still very violent. They are holding their batons, they are holding their shield, they are with their helmet in a formation, kind of procession, obviously wanting to go outside. But now we are being told that the chaos doesn't seem to be stopping. It's still happening. It's rife. People are still being attacked. There are a lot of fighting ongoing. People are being hit. It's unfortunate.
Well,
it's unfortunate.
It's
just unfortunate. But there are very senior officials here. There are very senior officials on both sides. But the NPP have moved. The NPP have moved. Wow.
This is it me on she. Ghana police pan to kwesi na mutumi nya hwen fa de we hu a na mugina. Oh no.
So you are shocked by the attitude of the police in continuing.
100%.
You felt the police could have handled things quite much better.
Yes. Saka police want to ejina okwa ye bibia at least in kan to ko into me see. But police want to nya hwen.
So Nana and a witness, an onlooker here, clearly dissatisfied with the police approach in terms of trying to contain the situation. But they are here in their numbers. And Nana, it's the boldness of these guys who have disrupted the process so far. They are still here. They are facing off with the police. Nana, this is unbelievable. But the police now seem to have the situation under control. They are talking to a gentleman who appears to be their sort of leader or their group head. But some party officials are still here. Ediji Tamaklo is here trying to talk through the situation to the supporters. Mustafa Gbande, who is a deputy
General Secretary,
director in charge of operations at the presidency, is also here. Is also deputy.
How is Ghana going to be? Obia Oye, a government appointee. Government appointee that is being paid by the people. By the people. Yeah, election by election. Who to me di Macho Men in him? Call police station to go and beat your opponent physically. Is this the kind of nation we want to build? And whilst all these things is going on, me am very much sure say yen president John Mahama or to Jubilee as our show or TV so I was wrestling. Because any party for na yebu omunti. Any party for. You will not be in power forever. Nyama adie biara NDC mu yesese amu aban mu no. You should always remember there say power is not permanent. Power is not permanent. Today you are in power, tomorrow you will be in opposition. And if you think, say, unleashing violence against people who are going to just exercise their franchise, they are going to vote in peace, they have not asked for any trouble, they have not insulted anybody, just with their ID card, party polling station agents that are well recognized by the Electoral Commission, sitting just to check, say, nipa waba polling station, no, ni din ewo register name and any register name, just that. Na mu massa process na echo peacefully, and I'm making sure, say, you are going to beat them, you are going to maltreat them. Some of them are hurt, people are bleeding, and all these things. And this is what you want democracy to look like in Ghana. Nkayo ochinentio. Munkai say echina wo ho na peace council any asofopenia mu Ghana ha abu nyina maye din muye mu to say mu hwi see no evil, hear no evil, say no evil. You should all remember these days and these happenings under the presidency of John Dramani Mahama. Always remember. It was this has been a political rant live update coming from election Ekosuo Ablokumanov. I'll keep you updated as new news comes in. See you in the next one.